Welcome to session 1. So, are you ready to burn that stubborn fat? The rule for fat loss is very simple. Work out using multiple large muscle groups, take little rest between sets, and eat the right kind of food. We'll take care of your workout and you take care of the food. And together, we will achieve your goal. So let's get straight into the warm-up. The first warm-up movement is the world's greatest stretch. We are going to show you how to do that and then we'll do it together. You get into a raised plank with your arms directly underneath your shoulder, head to toe one straight line. After that, you place your right leg outside your right hand, bend the right elbow to get it to the ground and raise it all the way up. Get it down again and then all the way up. We are going to perform this for 30 seconds on either side. Ready to begin? Let's start. All the way down and all the way up. Good work. Keeping your abs tight. Good. Feel that stretch. Get it down all the way to the ground. If you cannot in the beginning, that's completely fine, but you should try to get it eventually after 10-15 seconds. If you want to make it more challenging, get your chin closer to your arm when it's down. You'll feel that stretch in your hamstring and your quads. Keep going. And switch. All the way down, all the way up. We'll do it for 30 seconds. Good work. Warming up your entire body. Keep breathing, keep your abs tight, keep your entire body engaged. This is a full body warm-up. 5 more seconds. Don't give up now, keep going. Just warming up. And time. The second warm-up movement is jumping jacks. Keeping your feet together, you jump out, and when you jump out, you raise your hands up. When you jump in, get your hands back down. We are going to do this for 30 seconds. Ready to begin? Let's start. 30 seconds. Up and down, out and in. Keep going. This move is working on your calf muscles and working on getting your heart rate higher, warming up your entire body. Keep going, keep breathing, controlled and deep breathing throughout the move. Up and down, full range. Keeping your knees soft, stay on your toes. 5 more seconds. Keep breathing. And time. The third movement is butt kick. You start with keeping your feet in line with your hip. Lift one leg at a time, bringing your heel to the butt and keep alternating between right and left leg. We'll do this for 30 seconds. Are you ready to begin? Let's start. 30 seconds. Let's go. Good job. Maintain that speed. After 10-15 seconds, you can increase that speed. Heel to the butt. Keep going. Keeping the knees soft. Stay on your toes. Good work. Keep going. Getting your heart rate higher. Working on your endurance. 10 seconds to go. Good job. Don't give up. Keep going. And keep breathing. Heel to the butt. Full range. And time. Our first main movement is the jump squat. We are going to show you how to do that and then we'll do it together. You start with keeping your feet shoulder width apart, moving your hips back and down, hip lower than the knee, your back straight. And from there, you explore into a jump and get back down into a squat. That's a jump squat. We are going to do this for 20 seconds. Are you ready to start? Let's begin. 20 seconds, down and jump. Good job. Maintain that speed, maintain that momentum. Plyometric move works on strengthening your bones and your muscles. Keep going. Keep your breathing controlled. Keep going. Good job. Down and up. Keep your back straight. And time. Rest for 10 seconds before we perform the next movement. Have a sip of water. Take deep breath. And relax. And come back strong for the next movement. 3 seconds to go. Almost there. Second movement. Push-ups. We'll show you how to do that. Get into a raised plank with your arms directly underneath your shoulder. Head to toe one straight line. From there, bend your elbow all the way down and come all the way up. Go all the way down to the ground and press back all the way up. That's a push-up. We are going to do this for 20 seconds. Ready to begin? Let's go. All the way down and all the way up. Full range, down and up. Good job. You can do it at your own pace. No need to hurry into the movement. 10 seconds up, keep going. Good work. Keep your abs tight. Engage your midsection. 3 more seconds. 1 more rep. Time up. Rest for 10 seconds before we perform the next movement. Have a quick sip of water. Relax your hands. Relax your legs. Almost there. The third movement is burpees. We'll show you how to do that. You stand with your feet comfortably apart, squat down, getting your hands to the floor and jump out, getting into a raised plank. From there, get your chest to the floor and press back up. Jump in and perform a small vertical jump with your hands to the ceiling. We'll do this for 20 seconds. Ready to begin? Let's go. 20 seconds. Down and up. It's an explosive movement, working on your speed, working on your strength and your endurance. Keep going as fast as you can. Keep breathing. Good job. Don't give up for these 20 seconds. 5 more seconds to go. 1 more rep. Come on. Time up. Rest for 10 seconds before we perform the next movement. Have a sip of water. Take deep breath and relax. And come back strong for the next movement. 3 seconds to go, almost there. Our fourth movement is plank. We are going to show you how to do that. You get down into a plank with your arms directly underneath your shoulder. From there, you bend your elbow and get into an elbow plank. Maintain head to toe, one single line. We are going to hold this for 20 seconds. Are you ready to begin? Let's go. Head to toe, one straight line. Don't raise your hips up and don't dip it down to the floor. Keep your abs tight. Keep your glutes tight. Engage that entire midsection. Keep breathing. Maintain that posture. 3 more seconds. Almost there. Time up. Rest for 10 seconds before we move into the next round. Have a quick sip of water. Take a deep breath. Relax your whole body. Almost there. Ready to start? Round 2, movement 1, jump squat. 20 seconds on the clock. Let's begin. All the way down and a jump. Good work. Keep going. Keep pushing. I want you to push harder. You are completely warmed up by now. 10 seconds to go. Keeping your back straight. Good work. Don't give up. 3 more seconds, almost there. And time. Rest for 10 seconds. Recover for the next movement. Ready to begin? The next movement is push-ups. Get down into a push-up plank. 20 seconds on the clock. Let's start. All the way down and all the way up. Perform that full range. Keep going, keeping your abs tight, maintaining that posture, your entire body moving as one unit. 5 more seconds, keep your back straight, and time. Rest for 10 seconds. You can have water if you need. Relax your body before we move into the next movement. All right. Time for burpees. 20 seconds on the clock. Let's start. All the way down and a small jump. Good job. Keep going. Do as many as you can. Maintain that speed. Push yourself. 10 seconds over. Keep going. Keep breathing. 3 more seconds to go. 1 more rep. Come on. All right. Time to rest. 10 seconds. Take a deep breath. It's a very short rest. Recover well. Almost there. Time for the next movement. Plank. 20 seconds on the clock. Let's get started. Maintaining head to toe one straight line. Maintaining that posture, keeping your midsection involved, and keep breathing. Just don't let your hips raise up to the ceiling. Keep holding on to it. Come on. 3 more seconds to go. Don't give up. Time up. 10 seconds to rest. We are going to start the next round. 3 more seconds to go. Get ready. Alright, round 3, movement 1, jump squat. 20 seconds on the clock. Let's get started. All the way down and a jump. All the way down and then jump. Good work. Keep going. 10 seconds up. Keep going. Halfway there. This move is working on your strength, your endurance, strengthening your bones, your muscles. Almost there. Time. Rest for 10 seconds. You can have some water. If you feel thirsty, have water. 3 seconds to go before we start the next movement. Get ready for it. Alright, time. Let's start the push-ups. 20 seconds on the clock. Let's begin. All the way down, press all the way back up. Full range of motion. Good job. If the range is not complete, the rep is not complete. Remember that. Keep going. 3 more seconds to go. And time. Rest for 10 seconds before we perform the next movement. Have a sip of water, take deep breath and relax. And come back strong for the next movement. 3 seconds to go, almost there. Time for the next movement, burpees. Ready to begin? Let's go, 20 seconds on the clock. As fast as you can. Maintaining the right posture. Good work. Full range of motion. Keeping your entire body engaged, especially your midsection. 5 more seconds. Come on. 1 more rep. All right. Rest for 10 seconds. Have a quick sip of water. Relax and recover. 3 more seconds to go for your rest time to get over. 4th movement, plank. 20 seconds on the clock. Let's begin. Keeping your abs tight, maintaining that posture, keeping your entire body engaged, strengthening your entire body, especially your midsection. Keep breathing. Good work. Do not compromise on the posture. 3 more seconds to go. And time. Rest for 10 seconds before we start the next round. Relax, recover, hydrate, and come back for the next round. Alright. Round 4, movement 1, jump squat. 30 seconds on the clock. Let's get started. All the way down and a jump, keeping your back straight. Good work. Keep going, pushing your heart rate higher, making your legs stronger. Keep pushing. Good work. Three more seconds. Keep pushing. Don't give up now. And time. Rest for 10 seconds before we start the next movement. This rest is very important to get your heart rate back to a little close to normal, and then we push it up a little higher again. Time for the next movement, push-ups. 20 seconds on the clock. Let's begin. All the way down, press back up. All the way down and back up, maintaining that full range of motion. Good work. Keep going. Keeping your entire body engaged, head to toe. Keep pushing. 5 more seconds. Come on. No giving up. And time. Rest for 10 seconds. You can walk around, take a deep breath, stretch a little bit, and come back stronger for the next movement. Almost there. Get ready. The third movement, burpees. 20 seconds on the clock. Let's get started. All the way down and a small jump. Good job. Burpees work your entire body in one single movement. There is nothing which can be more explosive than this. Maintain that speed, make it a little faster. Good job, no giving up. One more rep, that's it. Rest for 10 seconds. Take a deep breath, hold it for a while and then release it off. Relax your entire body. Fourth movement, plank. 20 seconds on the clock, let's get started. Good work, maintain that focus. Stay aware of your body. If you think your hips going up, get back to a straight line. Keep your abs tight. Strengthening that core. 3 more seconds. And time. Time to rest. 10 seconds. Quick sip of water. Hydrate yourself. You're losing a lot of sweat in this workout. Alright, time for the next round. Round 5, movement 1, jump squats. 20 seconds on the clock, let's get started. All the way down and jump. Down and jump. Remember to keep your back straight. Go all the way down, hips lower than the knee, feet flat on the ground. Good work. You must be getting tired, but I want you to push harder. Come on. Time up. Rest for 10 seconds before we start the next movement. Deep breath, walk around and come back stronger. 3 more seconds to go. Get ready for it. Next movement, push-ups. Down on the ground, 20 seconds on the clock. Let's get started. All the way down, press back all the way up. Good work. Throughout this movement, keeping your elbows tucked in. Good work. Head to toe, one straight line. Maintain that throughout these 20 seconds. 3 more seconds to go. And time. Rest for 10 seconds. Use this time to recover well so that you can perform the next movement as it is expected. Breathe and stretch. Third movement, burpees. Let's get started. 20 seconds on the clock. Push your heart rate higher. Don't go easy. Come on. Faster reps. I want you to go a little faster. Stay in control of your body. Come on. Keep going. Push harder. 5 more seconds. Come on. Don't go easy. Time up. Time to rest. 10 seconds. You've been doing good. Just maintain that momentum. 3 seconds to go. Get ready for the last movement of this round. Plank. Fourth movement. Down on the ground. 20 seconds on the clock. Let's begin. Maintain that straight line. Keep that awareness of your body. Maintain that focus. 10 seconds to go. Good job. Keep breathing. Keeping your abs tight. Your entire body engaged. 3 more seconds. Don't give up. And time. Rest for 10 seconds before we get into the next round. Hydrate yourself, drink some water, walk around, and in 3 seconds, you have to be back. Round 6, movement 1, jump squats. 20 seconds on the clock, let's get started. All the way down, keeping your back straight and jump. Down and jump. Good work. Keep the back straight. Maintain that momentum. You've been doing very good. Come on. Good job. Feet flat on the ground. And time. 10 seconds rest. If you're feeling thirsty, have some water. Take a deep breath. Come back for the next round in about 2 seconds. Next movement, push-ups. Down on the ground, 20 seconds on the clock. Let's begin. All the way down, all the way up. I know you must be a little tired, but do not compromise on that range of motion and do not compromise on that posture. Come on. Keep going, 10 more seconds. Push yourself. It's the last round. 5 more seconds to go. Keep pushing. Maintain that straight back. And time. Rest, 10 seconds. Last 2 movements, stay very strong. 5 more seconds. Time for the third movement, burpees. 20 seconds on the clock, let's get started. Make it fast, it's the last round. Give all you have. Come on. You can do much better, faster. A little more faster, come on. Keep pushing. Maintaining that control over the body, keep pushing yourself. 1 more rep. Time up. 10 seconds to rest. It's the last movement of the last round. Have some water, relax and come back. 3 seconds to go. Get ready for the plank. 4th movement, plank. Down on the ground, 20 seconds on the clock. Let's start. Maintaining head to toe one straight line, keeping your back straight, keeping your abs engaged. Good work. Keep breathing. Working on strengthening your core muscles. 5 more seconds to go. Don't give up now. And time. Rest for 10 seconds before we start the cool down. You've done a good job. Have some water and relax. Get your body temperature back to normal before we start stretching. Our first cool down movement, hamstring stretch. We're going to show you how to do that. Keeping one leg forward, raising the toes off the ground, bending the knee which is behind and placing your hands on the knee which is bent. We'll hold this for 30 seconds on either side. Ready to begin? Let's start. Raise your toes up as much as you can to feel that stretch in your calves and in your ankle as well. Hold it there, feel the stretch. Keeping the knee which is forward, keep that completely locked. Keep breathing. It's important to hold every stretch for a good amount of time. Maintaining that posture, 5 more seconds, and then we switch. Switch. The other leg forward, toes off the ground. We'll hold it for 30 seconds. Very important to stretch after your workout. Your muscles need some relaxation to recover well. 10 more seconds to go. Keeping the forward knee locked. Raise the toes up as much as you can. And time. The second cool down movement, hip flexor stretch. You stand with your feet comfortably apart, push one leg behind, ensure that your knee is completely extended. From there, you raise your arms up to the ceiling and arch your back. You stay there for 30 seconds. Ready to begin? Let's start. Maintain that position to get the maximum stretch in your hip flexors. Keep breathing, keeping your body tight. Keep holding on to it. Maintain that arch in your back so that you get a good stretch in your hip flexors. You've given yourself a good workout and now your body deserves that stretch. Keep at it, 3 more seconds and switch. 30 seconds on the other side. Good work. Maintain that arch, pushing your hands up to the ceiling as much as you can. Reach out for the ceiling to get a good stretch. Keep breathing, don't hold your breath. Do not touch your knees down to the ground, keep it off the ground. And time. The third cool down movement, chest stretch. Interlock your arms behind and raise it all the way up as much as you can, keeping your chest upright without bending forward. We'll hold this for 30 seconds. As much as you can without bending forward. Keep your abs tight, keep breathing, raise it up, push it up a little bit every 5 seconds. Keep pushing it up. Good work. 15 more seconds. Keep breathing. Stand upright. Since you've done a lot of push-ups, it's important that you stretch your chest muscles. 5 more seconds. Almost there. And time. Fourth cool down movement, back stretch. Extend your arms forward and interlock them and reach out ahead of your body. Feel that stretch in your back. We'll hold this for 30 seconds. Keep breathing. Feel that vacuum. Feel that stretch in your back. Keep your knees soft. Good work. Since all the moves we did were pretty much compound and worked your multiple muscles, we need to stretch all the muscles in your body. And that's why we are doing multiple stretches. 5 more seconds. Good, keep breathing. And time.
Brilliant work there. Wasn't that a lot of hard work? Yes, it was. And you surely do not want that hard work to go in vain. So, it's time to get that food in order.
To attain fat loss, make sure you remove the unnecessary carbs and fats from your food. Include more protein. You can keep the good carbs like sweet potato, oats and brown rice. You'll see some good gain in your lean muscle and it'll raise your metabolism.
So go ahead and make those changes immediately. You can thank us later. You take care and we will see you in session 2.